Okay, so now we're going to do some dilations here in a coordinate plane, and we're using our good friend GeoGebra. So I have it split screen right now. And looking at the screen on the left, look at the graph and notice how the dilation factor is 1. So we're going to talk about that more in the future, but that means that the image is just the same. And then look, a little foreshadowing. Look, I can make it smaller. Look, the triangle's getting smaller, and then I can make it bigger as well. All right. Now it told me that I want a dilation factor of 3. Boom, right there. All right. So I'm going to use GeoGebra and draw the triangle below using a dilation of 3. So let's look at A first. Notice how A was 4, 5. Well, when I dilate 4, 5 by a scale factor or a dilation factor of 3, it goes to 12, 15. So really, I'm just multiplying the coordinates by 3. So 12, 15, right there. That's my A prime. The coordinates were 12, 15. And a little foreshadowing, I'm gonna write it in yellow because I don't want it to stand out too much, but I'm timesing it by 3. Let me pick a darker yellow. Timesing it by 3. All right, same thing with B. See how B is 5, 2? That means B prime is gonna be 15, 6. So 15, 6, that's B prime. And then last one, C, was 11, 1. That's going to be 33, 3. C prime, 33, 3. All right. And then I'm just going to connect all the points. And basically every coordinate was just multiplied by a scale factor of 3. And some little cool foreshadowing is look how all these points go back to the center. That's the origin of dilation, or the center of dilation. I can make these cool green lines that all go back to the origin. You don't have to do it. Sometimes I like to do it though. I think it looks cool when you draw those green lines, but that shows where we stretched and made the image bigger from. All right. Now the next one says we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it with a dilation of 1/2. So I just slid it all the way down to 0.5. And let me see if I can expand this a little bit. But notice how the image is now getting smaller. All right, so A is 4, 5. A prime is now 2, 2.5. All right, we have to deal with some decimals. We'll live though. That was 2, 2.5. B is now 2.51. And then C becomes 5.5, 0.5. All right. And then I'm going to draw the cool lines back to the origin because I can. All right. Now compared, this is the 4th and final transformation we were learning. Now compared to the transformations we learned in Unit 4, how is this new transformation different? What's different is sides aren't congruent. Angles are still congruent, but sides aren't. You can see the sides are getting either smaller or bigger. All right, so that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video.